Today we're taking a look at this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT wheelchair accessible van. It's equipped with the VMI Northstar side entry automatic in-floor ramp system. If you're looking for a mobility van that's stylish, easy to use, and designed for everyday convenience, this Grand Caravan SXT is a great option. This van has only a little over 43,000 miles, giving it excellent value with plenty of dependable service ahead. It's powered by Dodge's proven 3.6-liter V6 engine, offering smooth performance whether you're driving around town, going to appointments, or taking longer trips. On the outside, this Grand Caravan really stands out with its bold red exterior. Inside, you'll find a clean and durable black cloth interior that's comfortable, practical, and easy to maintain. Now let's take a closer look at the accessibility features. This van is equipped with the VMI Northstar side entry conversion with the automatic in-floor ramp. And one of the biggest advantages of the Northstar system is that the ramp stores neatly underneath the floor when not in use. That helps keep the doorway and interior area more open and uncluttered. Now with the push of a button, the side door opens and the ramp deploys smoothly, making wheelchair access simple and convenient. Because this is a side entry ramp system, it's a great choice for wheelchair users who want access to the side of the vehicle and prefer a more traditional seating and parking setup. The automatic operation also makes it especially convenient for families, caregivers, and drivers who want easier day-to-day access. What really makes this Grand Caravan stand out is the combination of the low mileage, the highly sought-after VMI Northstar in-floor ramp system, and the clean red exterior. It's a sleek, practical, and easy-to-use wheelchair-accessible van designed for comfort, convenience, and reliability. So if you're interested in this wheelchair-accessible van, contact Auto Mobility Store today. We offer financing options, warranty options, nationwide delivery, and real mobility specialists who are here to help you find the right vehicle for your needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other wheelchair-accessible vans here at automobilitystore.com.